Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Yes children? Children, see chapter number 1, numbers, revision. What is that? Building numbers. How to build the numbers. See, children, building the smallest 4-digit number. See how you build the smallest 4-digit number. We can build the smallest 4-digit number using 4-digit by arranging them in the ascending order. What we have to do? We should do arrange in the ascending order. Then only you can build the number. Yes or no children? Listen. Build the smallest 4-digit number using given digits. See? Build the smallest 4-digit number using the given digits. See, what are the digits they given? You should use the digits and you should make the smallest 4-digit number. Understood children? See here. Ascending order means what children? Small to big. Small number to big number you should arrange in the order. Yes or no? In these numbers, which one is smallest number? 1. Yes. After that, 3. After that, 4. After that, 7. Yes or no? That's why 1347 is the smallest number in this. Understood? After that, you should use smallest number to greatest number. See here children, for example here 5, 6, 7, 0 they given. Yes. 3. See 5, 3, 7, 0. In this number which one is smallest? 0. But also you should not take 0 first. Because if you keep 0 first, what will happen? It will become 3-digit number. Here they are asking 4-digit number. Yes, that's why 4-digit number only should form. Okay, in this number which one is smallest? 3 is smallest. After that 0. After that 5. After that 7. Understood? See what is that number will come? 3057. Understood children? Understood? 0 is smallest, but 0 is smallest number. But also you should use that is second place. Don't use first. Understood children? See which one is smallest number? 3057 is the smallest number in these digits. Okay. Next. In these numbers, which one is smallest number? You can find 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 2345 is the smallest number. Next. Here. See here. 0 is smallest, but same number I gave. What you have to do? Don't write in the 0 thousands place. You should write in the 3 in the thousands place. If you write 0 in the thousands place, what will happen? It will become 3-digit number. You should form the 4-digit number. That's why you should write 3 first. After that 0, after that 6, after that 7. Understood? 3067 is the number. Understood, children? This is smallest number. How to form the smallest number. Next, how to build the largest number. Build the largest number. Largest 4-digit number. Okay. See, for example, see what you have to do. You should arrange the descending order. Descending order means what? Large number to smallest number. Yes or no, children? Which number is largest number in these numbers? 8. 8 after 7. 7 after 4. 4 after 3. Okay. What is that number will come? 8743. This is the largest number. Okay. See here. In this number, which one is largest number? 9. After that 8. After that 3. After that 0. Which number is formed here? 9830. Understood, children? Next. See here. Which one is largest number in these numbers? 9. After that 7. After that 4. After that 3. What is that number formed here? 9743. Understood? See. See here, children. In these numbers, which one is largest number? 9. After that 8. After that 7. After that 6. After that 0. What is that number? 98,760 is the number. This is 5-digit number. Understood? This is not 4-digit number. This is 5-digit number. If understood? Because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits they given. That's why this is 5-digit number. What is that 5-digit number? 98,760. Here they are asking only 4-digit numbers to build. But I gave a 5-digit number also. Okay. Write in the classwork, ma. Children, now rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers. See here. Round off the numbers to the nearest tens. Understood? See here, they given some numbers. Okay, you should do this in the number line. Again, you should see, rounding off you should do. See here, first one, A. What is this? 58. Yes, you should draw a number line showing 50 to 60. Okay, you should draw the number line. Number line. When you are drawing number line, what you have to do? Starting number is 50. Ending number is 60. You should take. S. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. See, because here 58 they given A, S, that's why you should draw the number line and you should write 50 to 60. Which one is middle number in this? See, here 55 is the middle. S. 58, where it is 58? Here. S. 58 is here. Here, in this 58, which number will come nearest to tens? See, 50 is far, very far in 58. Yes, nearest which number is there? 60 is there. That's why it is clearly seen that 58 is closer to 60. Understood, children? Thus, 58 rounded of 60, rounded off to 60. Sorry, rounded not, rounds off to 60. Understood? See, you can easily clear it. See here, here 50, here 60. Which number is this? Here they given 58. Where it is 58? Here. Yes, 58 is nearest to 60. Yes or no? It is clearly seen that 58 is closer to 60. Thus, 58 rounds off to 60. Understood, children? Is it clear? Okay, next. Next number line. 78. Write this first. 58. After that 78. 78 means what? Which number line you should draw? You should draw number line 70 to 80. Understood? This one over? Clear? I am wiping the board. Next, B1. B1. What is that B1? 78. What you have to do? You should draw the number line 70 to 80. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. See children, listen here. 78, where it is 78? Here. Yes. Here 70 is far to 78. Near, which number is here? 80. Yes or no? See? Clearly. "78" appears closer to 80. Yes or no, children? Thus, 78 rounds off to 80. Understood? Right. One more number is there. What is that? 92. That also you should write in the number line, and you should write the C1. What is that number? C1? 92. What you have to do? You should draw the number line. Where to where? 90 to 100. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. See, listen carefully. Here, which number is here? 92. Here, 92 nearest to the 100. 90. 90. Understood? That's why clearly 92 appears closer to 90. Thus, 92 rounds off to 90. Understood? Right, children? Write in the classwork. I will give you homework for you people. You should do that. Ascending order and descending order. Complete the number series. Everything. Is it clear, children? Children, this is your homework. You should do. Do this work in the homework book, children. 4 bits.